What's up, guys? It's your boy E back again with another video. Welcome to GSJ TV. I'm the proud owner of shopgsj.com, aka the Anti-Jeweler Jeweler. Today we're back with a video called Why You Shouldn't Buy a $40,000 Chain. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly why right after Bob does his thing. Why wouldn't somebody want to buy a $40,000 chain? I mean, I'm sure there's 10 reasons you guys are thinking of right now before I even say anything. But first reason is right now, gold, as we speak today, gold is higher than it's ever been, which is an amazing thing for gold, but it's not an amazing thing for a consumer. So as of today, gold is $2,627.60 an ounce. Wow. Now let's break that down a little bit. Most people, you guys are buying chains 14 karat gold, some 10 karat gold, but in 14 karat, we're almost at $50 a gram, $49.27 to be exact. Now, let's break this down a little bit further, right? Gold costs $49.27 per gram. And let's say you want to buy something, you know, decently heavy, a little bit of weight, you know, let's say anywhere between 35 and 60 grams. Now that $50 per gram price is getting marked up by your average jeweler anywhere from $70 to, let's call it, $90 a gram. So let's average that out and say you're paying $80 a gram retail for a chain, right? So let's do the simple math here, $80, and let's call it a 40 gram chain, right? That means you're paying $3,200 for a 40 gram chain, which about a year ago was probably half that. Like I always say, if you got the money to do it, you want to floss, you want to get it, far be it for me to tell you otherwise. But right now, people are just getting priced out of the market. A lot of people, A, can't afford it, or B, they can afford it, but they're just not going to buy when things are sky high right now. So if we're not buying a $40,000 chain, we're not buying a $20,000 chain, we're not buying a $10,000 chain, what's the alternative? Like, what if you're in the market right now? The holiday season is coming up. You might want to buy yourself something nice. You might want to buy your girl something nice, your boyfriend something nice, your father something nice, your mother something nice, or your crazy aunt something nice. Whoever it may be. Where do you go? What do you do if you're priced out of that? Well, there's a huge market out there. There's so many different pieces that you can look at. Now, for instance, if you go on my site, shopgsj.com, we carry almost every popular chain that there is right now that somebody would want. My chains are gold over silver, they're rhodium plated, and they're made of the finest materials, all Italian made, triple coated with 14 karat gold, and it's going to cost you a fraction of the price. Instead of paying $3,200 for that chain we were just speaking about, you might be looking at $500-600. Now, what you might be thinking right now is $500-600 for a chain. I mean, man, that chain has got to be crappy, right? Wrong. When you break everything down even further, silver in itself is a precious metal. Gold is obviously a precious metal. Rhodium is a precious metal. When you do things correctly, and when you buy from a reputable company, and that's kind of the most important thing out here, and part of what I'm going to continue to do on this channel and bringing you guys those reputable companies. So when you are shopping and you are in the market, you know, obviously you're working hard for your money. You want to make sure that you're not getting ripped off. You want to make sure that you're not getting a team move special, which, trust me, I understand. Not only as a jeweler, but as a consumer, I've personally purchased everything under the sun, from your $100 piece all the way up to your $80,000, $90,000 piece. So when I talk to you guys, I'm not just talking out of my mouth to talk. I'm talking from experience, and I'm talking from somebody that lives, breathes, and sleeps and owns a jewelry company and is in the jewelry business. Getting back to the metals and everything like that, as long as you buy something that is of quality, that's from a reputable company, where you know the process that they're going through to make that chain for you, whether it be handmade, whether it's sourced from a wholesaler, you want to do your homework a little bit when it comes to these companies that you're looking at. You don't want to just see something shiny and then say, oh, this looks cool, it's only $80, I'm gonna buy it, and you get it, all of a sudden your neck is green, your wrist is green, your eyeball's green, and it's not even Halloween. Damn, I just rhymed, guys. But you get the point. You know what I'm saying. Do your homework. Gotta do your homework. Secondly, let's go into another scenario. Let's say you do have the money for something solid, and that's the way you roll, and that's it. Then my suggestion would be find a jeweler that A, is not looking to price gouge you, because right now, especially this time of year, holiday season, that's when things are going to go up higher than they've ever been because people want to make their profits. You want to build a relationship. Everything in this business, in life, everything is relationships. You want to make sure that you're going to somebody that A, is reputable, and B, is going to take care of you, that's going to have good customer service, going to answer your questions. And when you do buy that piece, if you do spend that $5, $10, $15, $20,000, that you are getting something that you know not only is solid and well made, but something that the actual company stands behind. I know for me as a business owner, I stand behind every single thing that is sold on my site. If somebody has a problem with something, if something were to happen to any chains that I sell, any pendants that I sell, any bracelets that I sell, any rings that I sell, I'm always going to make sure to be there to either replace that for you or to help you fix whatever problems you may have. And that's all that I'm saying. You want to make sure that you have a company that you're dealing with that's going to get back to you, that isn't going to leave you around waiting for 2-3 months without an answer, because obviously nobody has time for that. So, in conclusion, don't buy a $40,000 chain, guys. Just don't do it. Save that money. Take that money, take that extra money that you have saved up, put it in an IRA, put it in an investment, put it to the side, put it away for a rainy day. Hell, put it under your mattress for all I care. But you don't need to be putting it into a chain right now during this time. I hope that helps some of you guys. I hope you understand my point of view with things. And also, feel free to sound off in the comments. Let me know your opinions. Let me know if you guys right now are shopping for solid gold, or if you guys are kind of opening up to more of that market of gold over silver, moissanite, lab stuff like that, because there's just so much to explore there. So I'm definitely interested in hearing what you guys have to say. That being said, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your boy E, and I'm out.